Hello everyone, and welcome back to another B1 English listening practice video here on English with Sophia. If you're finding our sessions beneficial, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Are you ready to start? Today we're delving into the topic of immigration, a highly relevant issue in our increasingly globalized world. As countries become more interconnected, more people are considering moving abroad for various reasons. Some are in search of better job opportunities, others seek a safer environment, and many just desire a change of scenery. There are countless reasons why one might choose to immigrate. Personally, having lived abroad for nearly 4 years, I've gained substantial first-hand experience with the nuances of immigration. Let's explore the advantages of moving to another country, and then we'll discuss some of the challenges as well. One major benefit is the cultural experience. Stepping out of your comfort zone can be incredibly rewarding. Before I moved abroad, I hadn't fully emerged from my shell. However, starting a new life in a foreign country expanded my horizons significantly. I made new friends, engaged in new activities, and learned a new language. Admittedly, adapting to all these changes was challenging, but it was also a tremendous growth experience. It teaches you about what you truly value in life and what you are willing to adapt. Another benefit of immigrating is the potential for enhanced career opportunities. Many of my students moved abroad because they found opportunities to advance their careers and earn a better living, supporting themselves and their families more effectively. In some countries where salaries are low or the currency is weak, relocating can make economic sense. Additionally, immigrating provides a great opportunity to learn a new language. Being immersed in a place where you must speak a foreign language for daily activities accelerates your learning process. It might be stressful, but it is often the final push needed to truly master a new language. However, there are downsides to moving abroad. The hardest part about immigrating is often leaving loved ones behind. No matter the excitement of living in a new place, the absence of family and friends can be deeply felt. While technology allows for video calls and messaging, it doesn't replace the presence of physical closeness. The feeling of missing your loved ones doesn't easily go away. Another challenge is culture shock. While being exposed to new cultural practices can be enlightening, it can also be overwhelming. No matter how much you appreciate a foreign culture, it's unlikely you'll ever fully assimilate all its values and norms. Culture shock can lead to frequent misunderstandings and miscommunications, which I have experienced during my time abroad. It's a common part of living in a new cultural context. Lastly, a significant time spent abroad can blur your sense of home. Upon returning, you may find that what was once familiar now feels foreign, a phenomenon known as reverse culture shock. Now, to check your understanding, I have 3 questions for you. 1. How long have I lived abroad? 2. What do I consider the worst aspect of moving abroad? 3. What might you experience if you return home after living abroad for many years? Thank you for joining today's discussion on immigration. Your participation helps enhance our community's learning experience. Remember to subscribe for more insights, and feel free to share your thoughts and answers in the comments below. See you next time.